G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at Unit 2, Number 7, Lyndon Road in beautiful Baghdad. We're in a great location, the home 3-bedroom open plan living with a large deck and a fenced yard. Let's go in and take a look. We're in a great location. We've got this fantastic covered in entertaining area for the summer nights. A bonus is the park just across the road for the kids. We're fully fenced and we're in a great location. For more information or book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.